Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add your Klarna card to your Apple Wallet. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so step one is make sure everything's updated. So start by making sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS and that the Klarna app is fully updated. This ensures compatibility when adding your card to your Apple Wallet. Step two is get your Klarna virtual card. So open the Klarna app and log into your account. If eligible, you see the option to generate a Klarna virtual card. This is the card you'll be adding to your Apple Wallet. Then from here, we want to go ahead and add it to your Apple Wallet. So once your virtual card is ready, look for the option that says add to Apple Wallet inside the Klarna app. Tap on it and follow the prompts. Now, if you don't see this option, you can also open the plus icon and manually enter the Klarna card details. Then from here, we need to verify the card. So Apple will ask you to verify the card. This usually involves confirming via Face ID, Touch ID, or a verification code sent to your phone or email. Once verified, your Klarna card will be ready for use in your Apple Wallet. The last step here is start using Klarna Card with Apple Pay. So you can now use your Klarna Card anywhere Apple Pay is accepted. Simply double click the side button of your phone, choose the Klarna Card from your wallet, and hold your phone near the payment terminal.